Good morning, everyone in the Corolla Customs universe. The reason why I'm speaking so soft is because everyone is still sleeping and I am awake. So, as you noticed in my videos, my hair has been trying to grow, and unfortunately, it doesn't really grow that much for some reason. It's whack. So we're gonna cut it, trim up the beard, look fresh as heck. See you in a few. That is the most hair I've ever had in my life.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Now we can start shooting some Chevy Avalanche videos. That is from my head and my beard combined. That is so sad. The truck is filthy, so we are going to get cleaning of it. Look at that dirt. It's pretty nice outside. 51 degrees, sun is shining. So we're just gonna clean it.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
There's still some sort of dirt that's here, so I'm gonna use the clay bar and try to clay bar this whole thing to get rid of these little spots and dirts.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Alrighty, so we just cleaned the outside of the Avalanche. Now we're gonna open it up. We're gonna vacuum up the inside and give this the cleaning that it deserves, because I have not cleaned it all winter, even though we're still in winter, but it's very nice outside today. So we're gonna clean it up, take it for a drive, let the fluids run through it, and when I come back later, sometime this week, you'll see a video on how to drain the transmission oil, change the transmission filter, as well as add in a drain bolt to the transmission pan, and we'll also do some maintenance as well, like oil change and whatnot. But stay tuned.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
The things I do to complete the cleaning of the vehicle is take a cloth with some warm water, wipe down the entire dash and the insides. Then I take some trees or refreshener and throw them inside the vehicle to give it a nice smell. Then I also give the vehicle one final wipe down and dress the tires up really nice. And that's about it, you know. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get you the you're gonna see exactly how I do the rest of this and finish it up. Alrighty guys, so now that the vehicle is finished being cleaned, all I do is just throw 2 air fresheners and I throw them underneath the seat so no one can see them, out of sight, out of mind, and the smell will be fantastic. I am using Vanilla Rama. I have so many different kinds of flavors up in there. I'll show it to you later. But like vanilla. So we just toss them underneath the seat and no one will ever see them. And the smell will be coming out from somewhere. It's a mystery. The last thing to be done is dressing up the wheels, and we'll do that right now. Finally, the very last thing that I do to dress this truck up is use some turtle wax tire foam. I got this on a discount for like 50 cents, so definitely worth it. Alrighty guys, so that is everything I do to clean this truck. I hope you enjoyed that episode. All I do is just give it one final wipe down and make sure that everything is clean. And it already looks clean as it is, so I'm just gonna give it one final wipe down, make sure that there's no water marks, no water stains, no water drips, whatever it is, stains in general, and I'm gonna make sure that it looks awesome. I'm definitely gonna post a video. I'm definitely gonna post this video online so you'll see it, and also I'm definitely gonna post a picture on Instagram. And I also joined a Facebook group for Chevy Avalanches, and those guys have been dying to see my Avalanche, so I'm definitely gonna put that up as well. So if you guys did like this video, please make sure that you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to this channel if you are new and hit that bell notification on top so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Also, just so you guys don't know, if you're a fan of the Chevy Avalanche or you like my content in any way, shape, or form, please visit my website, www.corollacustomz.com. I will link it in the description below, and I'll put a card on top too. I am selling some t-shirts, and those proceeds will go to St. Jude's Hospital to help those kids. So if you guys can afford it and you want to get a t-shirt, just head over to the website, click on shop, and purchase a t-shirt, and that will go over to St. Jude's Hospital and will help some children have another chance at life. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys later.